Hisense Smart TV Apple AirPlay. Apple AirPlay allows users to stream videos, music, and photos from their Apple devices to a compatible Hisense Smart TV. This feature provides seamless screen mirroring and wireless content sharing from iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks. While some Hisense TVs have built-in AirPlay support, others may require third-party apps or additional devices for compatibility. 1. Checking AirPlay compatibility on Hisense Smart TVs. Not all Hisense Smart TVs support Apple AirPlay by default. Newer models running Android TV, Google TV, or ViDAA, U4 and later often have built-in AirPlay functionality. To check compatibility, go to the TV settings, look for the Apple AirPlay option under Network or Display Settings, and enable it if available. If AirPlay is not present, users may need to use third-party apps or devices like Apple TV. 2. How to use AirPlay on a Hisense Smart TV. Step 1. Ensure the Hisense TV and Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On the Apple device, open the Control Center and tap the Screen Mirroring option. Step 3. Select the Hisense TV from the list of available devices. Step 4. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV screen. Step 5. Once connected, the screen or media content will be mirrored to the Hisense TV. 3. Using third-party apps for AirPlay on Hisense TVs. If a Hisense TV does not support AirPlay natively, third-party apps like AirScreen, a Power Mirror, or AnyViewcast can provide similar screen sharing functionality. These apps are available on the Google Play Store or ViDAA App Store and allow users to stream content wirelessly from Apple devices. The setup process involves installing the app on the TV, launching it, and following on-screen instructions for pairing with an Apple device. 4. Troubleshooting AirPlay connection issues. If AirPlay is not working, users should check that both the TV and Apple device are on the same network. Restarting both devices and ensuring the TV's firmware is up to date can resolve common issues. If AirPlay lags or disconnects, reducing Wi-Fi interference and closing background apps on the Apple device may improve performance. Resetting network settings or re-enabling AirPlay on the TV can also help restore functionality. Apple AirPlay enhances the Hisense Smart TV experience by enabling seamless streaming from Apple devices. While some models support it natively, others may require third-party apps or external devices for compatibility. Ensuring a stable connection and keeping devices updated will help achieve the best AirPlay performance.